Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the rear wheel bearing on the Volkswagen Golf 5. In order to get to the wheel bearing, you need to remove the brake caliper support, and the brake. These are the two bolts that hold the brake caliper support that we need. Next, to remove the screw that holds the brake. Now that they're all removed, we have access to the wheel. First, to remove the cap that holds the wheel bearing, and then we'll remove the nut. Then we can take the wheel bearing. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. It's actually a bolt, not a nut, that holds the wheel for the. Once we remove the bolt, we can take the wheel bearing out. Now we can put on the new wheel. Afterwards, we'll put the bolt in, or tighten it, and then assemble everything back in the reverse order. Thank you for